This is a tutorial on how to upload your .mht quiz for the academic word list. And I will give you one example here. So I'll go to my Manaba page and I'll open up my Academic English 3. So you'll open up your class first. And what you want to do is go over to where it says tests at the very top. Okay. So you'll click on tests. And what we want to do here is we want to import our test. So click on import. And what we have is an m.mht file. So we are going to choose the file. And I should have it in my Alpha 3 here. And this one is saved as the AWL sublist 6B term 1 quiz. So it's a .mht file. So we'll open this and click on import. So it says here that the import was successful and the tests are unpublished right now. So you can come back to tests and we'll take a look. There it is right there. And what we want to do here is manage. Click on this little gear here. And we're going to manage that. We're going to edit this. So here are all the questions. And what you want to do is you'll come over here at the start date. You'll choose the date and time that you want your students to take your test, the quiz here, and then an ending time as well. So that's what you'll need to edit first. Now, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see this is 30 questions. They're all multiple choice, all the way down at the bottom here. Let me zoom out here. There we go. So you want to make sure that this is actually very important, that shuffle is clicked. You want to definitely make sure that you shuffle your answers, because what I've done is I've placed all of the answers to be the very first one. So if you don't do shuffle, then the students will figure out that that the very first answer is always correct. So make sure you click on shuffle. Add this to their portfolio and publish tests and correct answers after the submission deadlines. We'll go ahead and hit next. You can verify all of the answers and the questions. I've placed them as just 1 point each. So there are 30 questions on here, 30 multiple choice questions. And you can go ahead and check for yourself. I did not set a passing score, and then I'll go ahead and click on save and finish. Okay. So we can see that we've got our AWL sublist 6B term 1 auto scored test ready to go. And when you are ready to publish this quiz for your students, then you'll go over here and you'll click on this. I'm not going to publish it now because my team teacher is not ready to give this quiz yet. And then right here where it says submitter, you can see who's finished the test, and you can record their scores right there.